just the
Well,
personality
I
types?
think with social media, people don't understand that their social media is out there for the entire world to see, right? So if I don't ask you a certain question and then the government finds out certain information about you, is it my fault that I didn't ask you, right? Because the government now is going into people's social media accounts. And so if you practice in court, the government will present evidence for rebuttal and evidence to basically call you a liar. And sometimes clients turn to you and they say, well, why didn't you tell me that the government would look at my TikTok? And I say, well, why didn't you just tell me the truth? Because then we wouldn't have to be here. We recently lost an asylum case because our client had lived in, I think he had lived in Brazil, and he forgot to tell us that he spent 6 years in Brazil. And so the government went to his TikTok and saw all of his Brazilian escapades, and the anger is directed at his attorney for not, the questionnaire for asylum asks, where have you lived for 5 years? And you're telling me you came through, from your country of, this person was from an African country and he crossed through Mexico, where list your address for 5 years. You forgot to mention Brazil, where you've lived for those 5 years. So I think, again, it comes to, you ask the question,